Good evening to each and everyone. Welcome to the Wild One birthday celebration of our adorable birthday celebrant with no less than Benjamin Elijah Santiago. A round of applause. By the way, my name is host Stanley, and I will be your host on this amazing occasion. And I welcome you here in Pinoy Turo Restaurant here in Alhasam with our team. Wild One Adventure for Benjamin Elijah. Palakpakan naman dyan. Ladies and gentlemen, are you all excited to meet and witness the beautiful family, the Santiago family, on the grand entrance? Say yes, come on!
Yeah!
More energy, more energy! Say yes, come on!
Yeah!
Sa dulo, say yes, come on! Yeah! Sa kabila, say yes, come on!
Yeah!
At tayo, say yes, come on!
Yeah!
Ayun naman talaga yung energy. Ladies and gentlemen, lahat po tayo magsitayuan. Let us all rise. Let us all stand. And without further ado, please help me welcome this beautiful family together with Daddy Mike, Mommy Benilda, our Wild One Adventure boy, Benjamin Elijah, the Santiago family on the grand entrance. Let's give them a big round of applause. Family. How are you, Sir Daddy Mike? Can you give a few words to all the participants who came for tonight's lovely event? Message po, any remarks?
Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat.
Naririnig po?
Yes, okay. Hello, magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. Salamat sa pagpapaunlak ninyo sa aming imbitasyon. Isang malaking karangalan na kayo makasama namin sa pag-celebrate ng aming ng unang birthday ng aming anak. At may message siya.
Ayun.
Thank you for coming. Enjoy po tayo.
Ayun naman talaga. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a round of applause for this beautiful family, the Santiago family! Woo! Ayun naman talaga yung energy. Ladies and gentlemen, dahil nag-uumpisa pa lang tayo for the birthday celebration, may I request all the participants to please let us all bow our heads and let us feel the presence of our Lord amidst us through a prayer to be led by Brother Richard and Sister Annette Lauresta.
Lord, as we are about to celebrate Benjamin Elijah's birthday, we would like to thank you for bringing him to this world. Thank you also for the joy, love, and happiness he brings to his parents. Benil physical development, may he grow healthy and strong. We ask for your guidance that he may be always surrounded by your love and protection. Lastly, help his parents to mold Elijah to become a good child of yours. This asked in the name of our Lord Jesus Christ with the intercession of Mama Mary.
Happy birthday song! So may I request sa lahat ng mga kids, cute little kids to please gather, assemble here in front. Sa lahat ng mga nagwagapon at nagagandahan nating mga bisita, dito na lang tayo sa harapan. Happy birthday to you, Lord! Happy birthday to you, oh yeah! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, Elijah! Happy birthday to you! Come on, come on! Happy birthday to you! Come on, come on! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! What, all the kids, what?
Happy birthday!
our birthday celebrant ito. Alright, Daddy, Mike, and Mommy Benilda, close your eyes and make a wish for your son, Benjamin Elijah Mon. And then, lighten up the candle and blow the candle. Alright, sabihin natin daw kami sa happy birthday, Elijah, come on! Happy birthday, At this point, ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna witness the love and proud parents for their wish and message for their son. Take it away, Daddy Mike. What will be your wish and message for your son?
Wish ko sa kanya?
Papa.
Sana tumangkad siyang mas matangkad sa akin. Kasi gusto ko siyang makita maglaro ng sepak takraw. Joke lang. Then maging malusog, mabait, tsaka matalinong bata.
How about for Mommy Benilda?
Una, good evening sa inyong lahat. Salamat at makarating kayo. So, siya medyo na-late out. Message ko muna kay Elijah. Happy birthday! Love you so much. Thank you sa ligayang binibigay mo sa lahat ng namimit mo. Sobrang masaya day nila to. Sana patuloy kang lumaki na malusog, matalino at God-fearing. I'll take this opportunity to
All the guys?
So thank God. Sa lahat na nag-pray mula nang nasa dyan. Tingnan hindi siya lumabas. Nag-overstay na siya ng 40 weeks.
Unang 4 weeks? 4 weeks? 4 weeks?
40 weeks siya lumabas. Mas buti na lang healthy siya na lumabas. Sana yun lang, patuloy siya maging healthy. At hindi maging sakitin.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that was once again the Santiago family imparting their birthday wish and message for the son, Benjamin Elijah, as he celebrates for the first year of life, first year of existence for this afternoon today, lovely event. And at this point, we're gonna move forward with the godparents' message and wish.
In behalf of me and Kathleen, happy birthday!
Palakpakan naman dyan!
Actually, I'm so happy na celebrate ka ng birthday mo today. It's your first birthday and I know that this is an answered prayer of your mommy at saka yung daddy mo. So ako, masayang-masaya ako. I just really pray na God will give you more birthdays to come, good health. Sana lumaki kang katulad ng mami mo, napakabait. Hindi, actually, I just pray na lumaki ka ng maayos, good health, at the same time, sana magbigay ka pa ng more happiness sa lahat ng mga nagmamahal sa'yo. So, happy birthday, and God bless you and your family.
Wala ba kayong mga kamay?
Nice meeting you. And magpakamit ka lang naman. Makabais ka, happy birthday. And
mahal sa parents, sa kapwa, at saka higit sa lahat, sana magiging may takot sa Diyos. Yun lang. Happy birthday!
Actually, since pangalawang magulang kami ni Elijah, kung ano yung nasabi ng magulang niya, yun rin sasabihin ko. Salamat po. Okay. Pagtulungan natin palakihin siya na mabuting bata, na God-fearing, at okay. Ayun lang, salamat ng marami.
Happy birthday na. Elijah. Makinig ka! Makinig ka! Adren, ang masasabi ko lang, unang-una, sundan ka na kagad. Pangalawa, sa kumpare kong sarili mong isa, sana magmana ka rin. Meron lang isang huwag kang magmamanahan. Alam na natin lahat yun, kahit isa-isa na yun. Paglaki mo hindi pa sana. Biro lang, happy birthday anak. Ang mundo nila ay lalong lumiwanag. At wish namin sa araw ito at the next following years, lalo kang maging masaya at maging mapagmahal sa iyong mga magulang at unang-una ay mapagdasal sa ating buong magpapag. Maraming salamat.
Your good name? Ben, how are you? Good. What is the name of your parents? I need the real name. Their names. Do you know their names? Anyway, how old are you? 1, 2, 3, 4. From 1 to 4, what is your age there? What is your exact age? 5. Where do you live? Bahrain. Where exactly in Bahrain? Bahrain State. Okay, last question. What is your... Nag-aaral na po ba ito? Nag-aaral na? Ay, 4 pa lang. 4 pa lang? Nagsabi 5? Okay. Ito, what is your favorite food? Nuggets. Hotdog only. Do you know how to play the longest living happy birthday, Elijah? We need to do that in the longest birthday. Trial. Trial muna tayo. Timer, get ready. From 3. Then, from 3. Let's see and 1. Come on. Happy birthday, Elijah. Make it long. Make it very long. Make it very long. Elijah. Okay, I will show you. I will demonstrate. It will be like this. The longest birthday in the game will be like this. Just do it very long. Happy birthday, Elijah! Make it very long. Okay? Approve tayo? Yes. Ayun. Okay, then, once more. Do it one more time. 1, 2, 3, come on.
Happy birthday, Elijah!
Oh, last try. Elijah, the final countdown from 3, 2, 1. Come on.
Happy birthday, Elijah!
Okay, he got 10.8 to the round of 11 seconds. Good name? Okay. My question is, what is your complete name? How old are you? 6. What is your favorite subject?
Math.
Okay, I will ask you one question. 1 times 1.
1.
2 times 2.
4.
Tama ba? Kaya tayo ngayon nasa math, no? Stanley, wake up. Next question. 4 divided by 4.
0. I mean 1.
Tama ba? May nakasagot yung extension. Move on man tayo sa sa additional. Okay, 16 plus 16. Pwede natin mag-calculator, pwede mag-calculator. Count natin siya.
32.
32. Okay, proceed naman tayo sa sa minus. Nakita ba? Proceed tayo sa minus. 10 minus 5.
5.
Oh, ang galing. Bigyan ko siya ng consolation. Kasi yung consolation. Magbigyan din ng consolation. Sige, wait mo lang consolation. This is your moment for the longest birthday game. Make the longest birthday happy birthday, Elijah, from 3. Eh, kahit may passport ka, ma'am, tatanungin ka ng mga immigration. Ma'am, pwede malaman kung saan ka nagtatrabaho ng posisyon nila.
Trabaho kasi sa Saudi.
Sa Saudi. Naka-house mo kayo. Ilang taon na po sila sa Saudi?
8 years.
8 years na po. Ma'am, Benilda and Daddy Mike. Dito tayo, ma'am, sir. Para marami tayong memories in this lagi na lang magkakaw.
Papatatag yun sa alumen.
Yun yung nagpapatatag. Approve kayo doon?
Yes.
Okay kayo. Okay sa inyo ang lagi nag-aaway?
Hindi naman nag-aaway namin.
Lagi na lang. Mami, passport mo po. Salamat. Salamat po, ma'am. Okay lang. Bring me the complete family for the Santiago family together with the birthday celebrant. Here in front. Agets nila? Sa Tagalog, pakidala sa akin dito sa harapan ang kompletong pamilya ng Santiago, Daddy Michael, Mami, Benilda, and the producer. Pictures. Tapos picture. O ganun lang. Tapos ibigay na po natin yung prize ni Mami. Mami, Gina, or sige po. Sa mga nag-aanap daw po, show what you've got, do the longest greeting. Happy birthday, Elijah, come on! Happy birthday, Elijah! Ayun naman talaga.
Mommy! Yes, mommy! Yes!
Train the tail on the donkey. You have your own team tail with you, right? You already have. I will provide a blindfold for you so that you will be able to see. I will give or I will put this blindfold to each one of you. And then I'm going to rotate you. I will rotate you on your position. Like this. You need to rotate like this. Only one time. And then you need to move forward. And then pin the tail on this board. Okay? You should accurately put the pin or pin the tail on the board with our donkey animal. Okay, on your position, walking, come on. Only one time. And then proceed, move forward. Pin the tail accurately. You got it. Accurate siya sa board. Galing ah! Ma'am Benilda, price na.
Yes.
Okay, Kiara, rotate on your position one time. Just one time. Just once. And then move forward. Straight. Straight. And then pin the tail. No, left, left. Go, come on. That's it. Okay, congratulations, Kiara. Mga another prize mo ulit. Ay, tatasan natin for Terence.
Sige, mamaya.
Oh, parents naman after.
Kailangan daw paikutin natin.
Paikutin natin ng limang beses yung adults. Sobrang taas pa.
Surrender na!
Yan, okay na yun. Okay to. Alright, parents, are you ready?
Yeah!
Okay, rotate on your position one time. And then move forward. Use your tail. Pin the tail now. Ang galing na galing niyo. Galing na
Yes! Yes! So go!
galing na galing niyo. Pangit. Alam mo na yung gagawin? Lahat ko kayo
Brad, may birthday ko ako eh.
Basta na lang kasi nag-ahon.
Sa papatingin, hawak sa taas.
Proceed na sir sa harapan. Move forward. Straight forward. I mean, move forward. Nakita niyo sa dumadaan. Matuga. Matuga.
Ayun na. Dapat sa position yan. Wala lang kapaang.
Di ba swertehan na lang ito? Maswertehan.
No coaching!
Ate May dito ka. Para makita. Sumisilip yata si Sunday. Sumalamit. Ikaw bahala sir kung gusto mo nang ibang ilan. Depende sa'yo. Walang coaching.
Wala na, okay na. Okay na.
Proceed ka na sir. Move forward.
Direct na. Isang dikit. Yan. Okay na.
Another player. Push mo lang.
Dalawa na. Sampo pa. Diretso.
Three times. Okay lang sir.
Ha?
Sige lang. Wala sa akin.
Dito kaya?
Okay, pwede.
Dito?
Hindi mo ka nang umuha.
Dito.
Sige lang. Kaya mo yan.
Dito.
Hindi nakuha na sir. Walang anomaly siya. Walang punan. Oo. Hindi na. Ay, sir to. Ay, bakit? Ay, napadami. Sige kuya. Piliin mo kung gusto mo dyan. Choice mo saan mo didikit. Hala ka. Talagang nag-iisip ang sir. Huwag mo nang pahirapan yung sarili mo, sir.
Ay, bidit na. Wait lang.
Ay, bibi yan. Ay, bibi yan. Okay na. Kung pwede ka
Ano na?
Okay!
sige lang.
Okay na, friends. Okay na yan.
Okay na yan. Ay,
Ay, inuwag pa.
ang galing. Ay, ang galing. Ang galing. Boy, pare ka na ng anak mo. So, paano ng misis nila? Bernadette. Gano'n mo mamahal si Ma'am Bernadette? Ganito ang eksena. Ganito ang eksena. Kung talagang, guys, ladies and gentlemen, kung talagang mahal mo si Ma'am Bernadette, pakitaan mo kami ng sobrang mahal na mahal through dancing. Come on! Nagkasama sa akin. Sir, ganito yung tanong ko ngayon. Ano ang pinagmamalaki ng mga kung ginawa mo naman ang nagkakalookan. Ang grinaya doon po ang mga tagalookan. Para pagkakasabi kong kalokohan. Para pagkakasabi kong kalokohan. Anyway sir, kung pogi ang mga tagalookan, pangalan ng girlfriend nila sa Pilipinas? Kaso ba yun? Sir, ilang taon na kayo ng girlfriend mo? Ito na. Wala. Just casual lang. Ito yung first question ko sa'yo. Kung mabibigyan ka ng pagkakataon na bigyan siya or serve siya ng food, anong klaseng dish or putahe ang gusto mong ihain, serve sa kanya?
Spaghetti.
Bakit spaghetti, sir?
Kasi paborito ng lahat.
Lahat kasi patas pababa. Sir, ito na lang yung questions ko. Kung magiging pampalasa ka, ano ka at bakit?
Magic sarap.
Okay, magic ba? Kasi parang sarapan sila?
Pwede sa lahat, ha?
Pwede sa lahat.
Pwede daw sa lahat. Ito na yung last question. Sir, kung sakaling mabibigyan ka ng pagkakataon na lumabas or tour out of the country aside from Bahrain, where is that country and why? Kung kasama mo yung loved one mo together with you, saan mo siya ililibot? Saan mo siya ipapasikal na country?
Saudi.
Canada.
Canada, ano meron sa Canada, sir?
Wala lang. Gusto ko lang pa niya pupunta.
Hindi ko pa napupuntahan. Gusto mong pumunta sa Canada kasama ako? Joke lang. Anyway, sir, kung gusto mong pumunta ng Canada, sayawan mo kami ng Canada dance. Tama? Yung mga ibang winners, dito ulit. Showdown tayo. My morning, do the dance showdown. Show your best dance move from 3 and 2 and 1. Come on. This box have multiple layers or multiple wrappings. Understand? And then the last box contains a parcel. What you're going to do, you need to make a circle. You need to make a circle. One more player. One more kid. Kulang kasi yung players natin. Other kids. Wala na. Other kid. Sige, apat na lang. While the music is playing, you need to pass the box from another from one player to another. Or you need to pass the box from the next player beside you. Understand? Once the music will stop, that player will open the box. You need to unwrap the first player. The parcel will be on the last box. Because this box contains of too much multiple layers or multiple wrappings.
Give me your money.
Okay, let's start now. Only explain. I know you don't like to understand the graphics. Okay, Kuya, play the music. Rotate. Pass. Okay, now, hold the box. You need to unwrap the first layer of the box.
I can't open this.
I'm gonna help you.
Wait, Eddie.
Okay. Okay. What's inside the box? What's inside the box? Can you open it for us? Okay, another box. Okay, this is not yet the parcel. What's that? It's cake. Okay, this is the other box. Still we have another box inside. Okay, this is my straw.
I opened bad.
Is that the parcel already? Maybe. Maybe. Can you open what's inside the box? Maybe that's the parcel.
No.
Still there's another box. Again, you need to pass the box. Maybe that's the last parcel. That's the last box, maybe. 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 You are the winner.
There's still more.
No. Can you open it ba, Ben?
Open it.
Still there's another box. Maybe that's the last box.
Yeah, give me the 10,000.
Okay, one more try. Maybe that's the last box. This is my straw. That's the parcel already, the parcel.
Yeah, maybe it's the last one. Yeah. Oh man.
Is that the last box?
Yeah, this is the last one. Yeah. This.
Then you're the lucky winner.
Yeah. Open it.
Can you open it? Can you open it? And that's the parcel. There's another box. Congratulations, kids. Bigyan natin ng consolation prizes.
I want that. Mom. We can help someone.
Okay, we're done.
Happy
Nag-e-enjoy sila. Congratulations! Magaling na ano ba? Ano pong bileto? Congratulations, Miss and Mrs. Cruz! Halika na! Ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna have a thank you message to all the participants who came for tonight. Lovely event as we celebrate for Benjamin Elijah first lovely birthday celebration. Take it away, Daddy Mike. Say thank you to all the participants. Come on.
Maraming salamat na lang po sa ninyo. Kumbaga sa mga napakalaking bagay sa amin yung nakasama kayo yung saya na natin na nabibigay ninyo. Kumbaga sa mga nag-share namin sa inyo yung excitement namin sa pag-aaral namin ng anak.
Sa lahat. Naka-thank you rin kay Joel.
Wala kayo Joel pala.
Sa lahat.
Wala ka Tumeli.
Ninang.
Si Edward.
Ninang Edward. Kuya, ang mga pinsan namin. Salamat po.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that was once again Mr. and Mrs. Santiago, Daddy Mike, and Mommy Benilda. We would like to specially thank you for our food and venue, Pidin Pino Restaurant here in Malhasal, for our music coordinator, BJ AJ, to our beautiful decoration for tonight with AJ Dancing Ladder. Once again, let's say all together, happy birthday, Elijah, come on.
Happy birthday, Elijah!
Sa lahat po ng mga bisita, nagsipunta ngayong gabi. Maraming salamat po and God bless us all. Thank you so much. I love you too. Alright, I have with me the loving and proud parents of Elijah, Benjamin Elijah, Daddy Mike, and Mommy Benilda. What will be your feedback or testimonial regarding for my hosting? Take it away, Daddy Mike.
Stanley is a very splendid host. He gives life to the party. He makes sure that everyone else is involved in the party. There's no dull moment here.
A few words from Mommy Benilda. Mommy Benilda.
Thank you for the smooth coordination. Naging successful itong birthday celebration.
Salamat po and we'll gonna say bye-bye!